Good morning, dear children. So today in our class I am going to tell you that how you have to learn the chapter from the between for your MCQ test, because in the MCQ test some questions maybe will come from the between also. Okay, like good night Tinku. So in this chapter I already taught you that who is a Tinku. So आपके ये क्वेश्चन भी बन सकता है कि दैट हु इज अ टिंकू. सो टिंकू इज अ बेबी of a sheep. Okay, so and second is from whom he met in the night. From whom he met in the night? He met in the night with a bat. Okay, and what is the name of that bat? The name of the bat is Bolu. Okay, then what is the name of the fox? The name of the fox is, what is the name of the fox? The name of the fox is Furry. What is the name of the fox? Furry. Then here is again mouse. So what is the name of the mouse? The name of the mouse is Molly. Okay, and who is a cricket? A cricket. Who is Carrie? Carrie is a cricket. Okay, so students you have to learn, you have to know. आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जितने भी एनिमल्स थे उनका नेम क्या था. देन सेकेंड, हाउ मेनी फ्रेंड्स टिंकू मैड एट दैट नाइट. टिंकू मैड 4 फ्रेंड्स. who they are mouse, bat, okay, fox and cricket. How many friends he met? He met 4 friends. Okay, and the second is who said that the night is beautiful? Tinku said that the night is beautiful. Okay, so in this chapter you have to learn the things that who is Furry, what is the name of the mouse, who is Bolu, okay, who is Tinku. Okay, so all these things you have to learn. Then here is also that these are the name of the animals from whom the Tinku met, and these are the name of the places where they are living. Bat, where the bat is living? The bat is living on a tree. The bat is living on a tree. Fox, where the fox is living? Fox is living in the bushes. Okay, in the bushes. Okay, where the mouse is living? Mouse is living in a hole under a tree. And where the cricket is living? Cricket is living in the grass. So this thing also you have to learn, students. Okay, and here are again some questions are here. So आपको ये भी learn करने that who could not sleep? Tinku could not sleep. Why did Ma not hear Tinku's words? टिंकू की मम्मा ने टिंकू की बात क्यों नहीं सुनी? बिकॉज शी वॉज फास्ट asleep. वो गहरी नींद में सो रही थी. Who was smiling down at Tinku? The moon was smiling down at Tinku. What does Carrie do at night? He chirps. What Carrie does in the night? He chirps. Okay, like this you have to learn the chapter number 1 from the between. Then second chapter is, students you have to learn these things also. The baby of sheep is lamb. The baby of goat is kid. The baby of cat, kitten. The baby of duck, duckling. Okay, so you have to learn this also. Okay, then this poem, how does creatures move? How creatures move? How creatures move? तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए कि जितनी भी creatures हैं वो कैसे move करते हैं. Like a lion, he walks. Squirrel leaps. And flies crawls. Okay. Sealfish swim and dive. A worm wriggle. A monkey swings. Okay. The birds, they fly and hop. And the boys and girls, they can dance, they can leap, they can walk and they can run. Okay, like this. Then again in the second chapter, how the sky got its light. Okay, so in this chapter, how you have to learn this, that you can learn like this, that who was very sad? Who was very sad? Fly was very sad. Who was very sad? Fly was very sad. Who is pretty? Butterfly. Who is pretty? Butterfly. Okay, and then next is you can learn that who is lonely at night? The moon. Who is lonely at night? Moon. कौन था अकेले रात को? कौन रहता है मोस्टली अकेले? Moon. Okay, and second next is next you can learn that who taught a secret spell to the fly? Moon. Who taught a secret spell to the fly? Moon taught a secret spell to the fly. Okay, and who became the friend of moon? Fly became the friend of moon. Okay, then here is also you can learn these things also. Okay, fly was sad because he wanted to be special. He wanted to be special. Fly thought bee was strong. Fly thought bee was strong. Fly thought butterfly was pretty. Fly thought butterfly was pretty. Fly wanted to shine like a stars. Sorry, shine like the stars. Fly wanted to shine like the stars. Moon taught fly a secret spell. Moon taught fly a secret spell. Now fly could shine. Now fly could shine. So fill these, and you have to learn these also in your for the book between from the book's activities. Okay, students. So now in this, Reena and Meena are my friends. We play together. Ravi is a boy. He. Ravi is a boy now. So for Ravi, which pronoun will come? He. So he wants a glass of milk. Pinky is a good girl. So Pinky is a girl. So she helps her friend. The children are at home. Children. So they or he for one boy. So they will come because it is a plural form. The lion के लिए क्या use करेंगे हम? It. Okay. Then again here is Tom is not well. Tom has fever. तो हमने यहाँ पे Tom की जगह again pronoun use करना है. So he has fever. In the place of Tom, what we will write here? He. Then the kitten is hungry. The kitten wants milk. अब हम animals के लिए क्या use करते हैं? It. So what will come here? It wants milk. Sheila has a new bag. Sheila also has a new lunch box. So Sheila दो जगह repeat हो रहा है. So in the second one Sheila, in the place of second one Sheila, what we will write? She also has a new lunch box. Okay. Mother and I. Students, जब I के साथ में हम other noun use करते हैं तो हम we use करते. We buy vegetables. We buy vegetables. Okay. Like this you have to do. Again here is large, happy, beautiful, jump and neat. आपको ये options दिए हुए हैं. With the help of these options you have to fill the sentences. A giant has big feet and dash hands. Giant means राक्षस. तो राक्षस के बड़े से पैर और large hands होते हैं. Okay, large will come here. Beautiful is already done now. So in the second one large will come. A frog can hop fast. A rabbit can also jump. Okay, तो ये I think मैंने आपको ये सारा पहले करवा दिया है स्टूडेंट्स. आपको ये सब रिवाइज करना है. ठीक है, तो आप सबको ये रिवाइज करना है और अच्छे से सारे चैप्टर्स को बिटवीन से पढ़ना है ताकि जितने भी चैप्टर्स हैं हमारे वो हमें डाउटफुली ना रहें और हम उन्हें अच्छे से रीड कर लें. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.